Welcome to 12.5 Tech. Today, I'm going to walk you through a powerful VPN app called RCJ Tunnel. This VPN offers blazing fast servers and supports multiple protocols, giving you the freedom to browse securely and without limits. Whether you're trying to access geo-restricted content or just want private browsing, RCJ Tunnel has you covered. Let's get started step by step. First, open the Play Store by tapping on its icon. Once you're on the home screen, look at the top and tap the search icon. In the search bar, type RCJ Tunnel and press Enter. You'll now see a list of apps. Make sure to carefully find RCJ Tunnel with its VPN icon, then tap on it to move to the next step. Now, tap the Install button. The download and installation will take a few minutes depending on your internet speed, so please be patient. Once installed, the Open button will appear. Tap it to launch RCJ Tunnel VPN. You may get a notification permission prompt. Feel free to allow or cancel it based on your preference. When you reach the home screen of RCJ Tunnel, make sure your mobile data is turned on. This is necessary to load the latest servers from RCJ Tunnel. Wait a few seconds as the VPN updates and refreshes. Now let's explore the app's layout. RCJ Tunnel has two main sections, one for selecting servers and another for choosing protocols. To select a server, tap on the Server section. A list of global locations will appear. Choose the one that best fits your needs. You can change servers anytime. Next, choose your protocol. Tap on the Tweaks button to view a list of built-in protocol options. Scroll through and pick one that works best with your connection. Whether you're using a default tweak or a custom setting, RCJ Tunnel offers flexibility for all users. Once you've selected both your server and tweak, return to the home screen. You'll see a big Start button. Tap it to connect. Within seconds, you'll be securely connected to the internet. If you want to connect RCJ Tunnel on other devices or computers, I've made a dedicated tutorial for that too. Check the description or comments for the link. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, leave a comment if you have questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech guides.